Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Brian Nelson from Encaustic Art Plus, based in Elsica, South Yorkshire. I'm just going to paint a poppy style image for Remembrance Day, in remembrance for those who've fallen before. I've just added white, green and clear wax to my iron to create a background. Quite happy with that as the background. Take some red wax. I'm going to run it down this side edge of the iron. Form the poppy, and as you can see I'm just spinning the card gradually. So that's where we've ended, so I'll just go back in. So we've got that run, but that's fine. Go back round from about here. Put a second fringe in, just lift off and just show you how it's starting to develop. So it's literally like the sawing techniques that you've seen before. I'm just going round and round. Sort of pull that round the point of the iron. There we go. So we've got the main poppy, if you like. Give my iron a really good wipe. Let me take some dark wax. Getting that in the pointy area of the iron. We get it in there. Let that set for a second. Just flip that out. So it'll look a bit more similar to what it would in the middle of a poppy. Some dark green, some dark green, just add a stem. And a couple of leaves. a poppy as we take a second to remember. Happy painting everyone, and we'll look forward to seeing you all in our next video. Please hit like and subscribe.